tomorrow's drills,
Oh,
7 a.m.
can't come.
It's still by Why?
Fall.
I prefer to have a ball in my pocket. That's a key.
Yeah.
Kasi my rhythm is this. After I do my prayers, I'm in the mission to. I'm not like.
Again. So how many plays are you gonna have tomorrow? 7 a.m.
7 a.m.
Oh.
or 4. And then I have a party in Makati. Yeah, party in Makati.
Nakaka.
So much cleaner for compared to the VRC.
Yeah. VRC, Villarreal.
You weren't there, but you went to the Vista Real basketball court siya. Pero as in 1,000 lines. My line, my basketball line,
Villarreal. I thought Villarreal is a shell court.
they have shell court and basketball court. So the
Mm.
basketball court lights
Because I already played volleyball at the Villarreal. I thought the basketball court is for the basketball court and volleyball court only.
Ginawa mo my lines lahat.
Oh,
So I'm
it's
like,
confusing.
It's so confusing. My brain was all over the place.
Is it in or out? Nice.
Nice. Corner.
Nice. Inside. Hey, nice one.
That's
Nice.
so maybe she'll be next on the
Did she message you already? No.
I will be next on
Mm-hmm.
Also, we have 4 males and 4 females. We can do also all women's.
Yeah, all women and all males.
It's okay. There's another woman coming, so we can also do all men, all women after the performance.
Outside. Outside.
I'm planning to have a volleyball. Playing volleyball.
Where?
Guadalupe. Sa
Ah,
club din.
IBC?
Very, very.
International Baptist Church?
Something like that. Basta naka-reclub siya. Someone invited me. Niman ko. Then I said, okay, try to.
Yeah.
What can I expect from an open play volleyball?
You're gonna
I
be
think
tired.
nice. I think nice.
I don't know, because
I
I'm
think
not
pro volleyball players are
more ma-attitude.
I think
I certainly agree.
the culture,
Yeah.
because I've seen
Especially if they don't know you and you kept on making mistakes.
oh, that's very beginner to
If
maybe the
begin, yeah, I think it's good. If it's beginner, usually the attitude players are the advanced one.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it as an opener.
24 players.
Yeah,
Oh,
so that's four teams for 4 hours. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, okay. So is it like tournament?
Uh,
Or
Just
round
like a fun
robin?
games.
Ah, fun
Round robin, maybe single or double round robin with semifinals and finals.
Yeah, I think there are regulars.
Yeah.
Because the yellow has reserve. So I'm thinking regulars na sila.
Yeah.
Na walang hit lang.
What's the name of the club?
Territory volleyball.
Territory.
That's the name of the club.
Yeah.
I guess it's from Territory or Lady of Guadalupe.
Yeah. That's
It's a seminary.
Guadalupe. I think that's a two-court.
Yeah, it has 2 courts.
Two courts, yes. Yeah. Okay.
5 hours.
It's good.
11 to 4. So parang half day. But
That's
it's affordable. It's only 270.
After the Guadalupe station. Walk.
I care more about the organic income.
When was the last time you played volleyball?
I haven't played since
Since
La Union, when I went to the beach.
2000.
Last
Last year.
Just January.
You still have the skills, I hope. I think he's a high beginner.
Herben?
Herben.
Yeah, I saw him in the drill.
Even the
And
drills.
it was okay, following me.
He has the power eh. I mean, you can hear it naman sa film.
Yeah, I'll just chill. I'm just like, hi, beginner from drill.
Beginner
I,
again.
I think I might go into somebody. What's your level, Max? You're
Inter,
libero,
high inter.
Libero. Libero.
Yeah, I play for intermediate and advanced levels.
Okay.
I have an ongoing tournament.
Yeah.
We're in the semifinals. Really? That's 3-1. 3-1. Oh, yeah, 3-1.
So I should teach them sportsmanship also. Like after the game, like say put your partner in the game.
Yeah.
Some people kasi in some moment they just walk out.
Yeah,
So
we don't need to shake hands, congratulations.
thank you for that.
Yeah.
I think it's just part of sportsmanship. Some people go,
Pickleball? I don't play pickleball since February.
Why?
I still don't know.
My thread and TikTok, I always see people fighting in pickleball. Like, bakit gano'n yung mga ganun?
Even in Facebook, I think one viral post regarding pickleball. Yeah, I mean,
Is it like a
nag-away
story?
ata. I think nag-away or something like that. And the organizer just apologized.
Oh, yeah.
Happened.
Organizers did not.
They don't know the player.
Ang laki kasi, dami
Yeah,
nila.
that's 24 players
Yeah.
for one court.
And then late pa yung organizer.
Yeah. Ang hirap kayang mag-organize ng sobrang laki. Yeah, like volleyball. Unlike this, tennis.
And most people know naman already what's going on.
Yeah.
That's why even if I don't go, like just to go, you will go. But here when you're doing this, talk to people. So I'm going to start doing the rankings next one I come.
Okay.
So as
When will you come back?
third week of June.
You invited me at La Union? I cannot go.
Did I?
Magabi. Oh, like, ay, another schedule. When I see, no, what? I can't.
It's too far.
Yeah, it's too far. But I'm from Isabela. I'm an Ilocano.
Ay, ako
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So tanatagin guy, ma-usap ka na naman.
Will. Yung nagadayo tilawag.
Nakadamot lang isa doon. Several.
Mhm.
Sa Santiago.
Ayan.
I have students from Santiago din. There was a party. There was a party I went to.
But you're an Ilocano in... Born and raised? No.
Born but not
Okay.
raised in Honolulu.
Oh, Hawaii.
College in Seattle. Professional life in Las Vegas. And then moved here for a heartbreak. Yeah, I was heartbroken in the US and didn't know what to do. So I said, okay, run as far away as I can. I landed in the Philippines.
How many years are
Dapat
you
6
living?
months lang dito.
Yeah.
And then I said, no, I'll move here na lang. All my battles.
When did you arrive here?
Over 10 years ago.
Oh.
Over 10 years ago.
Nice, nice, nice. Ah! I think
Good day.
panalo na sila.
Game? Oh, no, no.
Not yet.
It's a group.
Advance.
Adult.
Ano?
Add in. What's your name again? Why? What's your name?
Guys,
Oh, okay. Are you sure? Okay. Get this much.
you're done.